memories about our classes?
So, sir, first thing I remember is when during our attempt there was a change from old course to new course. So we had
Correct.
to decide one between old course and new course. I had seen people who were not able to choose the new course before because they had already taken classes in the old syllabus.
Okay.
But when I came to you, I remember I came to you and told you that I'm planning to select new course, and you
Yeah.
told me that I'm there for you. I will help you. You do whatever you want. You take the classes again. I won't again charge. So that at least helped me that money was no more a problem because I
Yeah.
didn't have to think that I'll have to pay again and again
Correct.
for the same subjects. So I decided to switch to new course. तब अगर आप बोलते कि नहीं पैसे लगेंगे वापस तो फिर I would have dropped the plan.
You would have remained in the old course.
Right. So
Okay.
that way I shifted to new course. That was the best thing. So I remember I spoke to you once. That was the best thing. Then apart from that, I took DT from Arish sir. So that was, I suggest every student to take DT from Arish sir. I know there are many other classes as well, but live to Arish sir. Anytime. Plus the notes are also good.
And
And I
say
also-
law? Yeah.
Law Aditi ma'am. Aditi ma'am's law was 1 month में best anything you get is law में Aditi Chaturvedi. Ma'am taught us director's chapter for like 15 days and I revised it only once before exam, and I probably director's chapter was the thing that passed me in law exam
Okay.
because that was the most important chapter and I read it only once after the classes
Okay.
and directly exam के पहले, and I scored 56 in law and
Okay.
58 in IT, 58 in DT.
Okay. But I think your main strength are your practical subjects, right?
My strength was practical subject.
Practical subject. You like them more as compared. I could see your mark sheet, so I could guess more from there. So what you have in mind, say, for your career? What you want to be doing? Say, trying to study further, or
I frankly I had never thought of a rank, so I scored one. Now I think people are telling me that you should read further, you should go for a few courses, and I'm also planning to do it.
Okay.
Plus about future job and all, earlier I used to think Deloitte, I'll go to Deloitte, I'll ask them for an offer and I'll join. But now I see many opportunities opening because
Okay.
many door opens which are not available for normal students who pass with the 400, 450s.
Correct.
I can see rankers getting interview calls, सामने से they call and they ask you to come.
Correct.
So that way I think my targets have increased because of this rank, which was unexpected.
That was so good.
So I have to plan again.
Now
what I
try
have
to think. Okay, so what is your advice to those guys who are doing CA? Because I think now, like, last 2 or 3 years, many people had thought, like, that new course is going to be tough, we will not be doing it anymore. There are many people like that, like, who have thought that CA, the number of people who are passing is becoming quite less. So those guys at least who are doing, and those guys who want to be doing, what is your best advice to those students?
So the thing is, don't be too much tensed about the exam because all you need to do is prepare 5 months, but 5 months with full lot of dedication. Plus before that 5 months you need to complete your classes 100%. All your notes should be completed, all your concepts should be completed. You should be very clear about concepts because anything that you mug up, you won't be able to write it in exam. So the concepts are must for clearing paper like FR, costing and DT. For DT also, this time DT paper was very application based. There was no direct questions. So clear your concepts first, then go on a leave for a 4.5 months, 5 months. From my side, 4 months is also sufficient, more than sufficient. And then dedicate your whole life to that 4 months because I never knew this before, but scoring a rank is a big dream. I never thought of it, but it's really good.
You were a ranker at CA Inter
No,
level?
never. Sir.
At CA Foundation,
I missed
CPT?
rank with 8 to 10 marks every time.
Okay.
CPT.
So it's the first time you've directly got a
Uh,
rank, and
that
what for
was-
indirectly for?
Single digit rank. Yes.
That is so nice, so nice, so nice. So just before to wind up, now you're going to be getting many calls, CAO. But what is your dream after this? Means suppose like that you want to get a call or you want to enter this area. There must be few things that you must have thought like that as a CA, suppose if some company recruits me now, I want to enter into this kind of a specialization. Like example, what was your paper 6 elective paper?
International tax.
International tax. So do you have some love for tax?
I do now, but
You do now.
yes, when I started reading international taxation, I could appreciate direct tax even more.
Okay.
Plus, I now can easily say that it was a good decision to take international taxation. But career-wise, I would like to go for some field in finance because I was always interested in finance and
Okay.
investment banking and all. So I
Okay.
never thought I could get opportunities. Now I know that I can go to firms, I can approach firms who are good at investment
Firms
banking.
will approach you, Shubham.
They'll also do, but I'll also go to few firms where I
Correct.
could never think of because just passing won't help to approach
Correct.
those firms. So I'll go to them, I'll try to arrange an interview, and if I crack, I'll go to finance field. Now that I have an option, I'll select finance.
You like that thing much more than others.
Anything.
Thanks, Shubham. It has been great to have you as a student for 2 years, and all the best for future endeavors.
Thank you, sir.
All the best.